let's do this. What's up? Okay. Hey guys, I should have streamed CPI. I don't know why I didn't hop on for it. I was like, just like so tired last night, I just completely forgot about it. But it happens, right? We're pushing all time highs here. Alright, Sean and Pino still are. I haven't started a one-on-one just yet. Nobody's really taking the offer. I haven't really pushed the offer either though, so I still have 2 spots available. But if you're talking just like the class, like the exclusive group class, like Bootcamp V2, yesterday we went over the algorithm and like liquidity and stuff, but today we'll be diving deeper into liquidity. And I feel like that should just go to show that like I don't really care about like the money. I don't really care about like, yeah, I care about coaching, but I care about coaching like more of the group than just like charging someone a bunch of money. Like if they want to get coached by me and they come to me, then yeah, I'm gonna be all for it and I'm gonna go all in with them. But like I'm not gonna spam it on my story and try and like get as many people as possible. Because like think about it, if you have 2 one-on-one students, you're actually gonna dedicate a lot of time to them. Like if I have two one-on-one students, that's just 3 classes every day, 2 with the 2 students and then 1 with the boot camp. Like bro, if you have like 50 one-on-one students, think about the quality of service that you're actually gonna get. It's gonna be pretty dog shit, so that's why I kind of stay away from it. But I do want 2 one-on-ones. I think that'd be amazing. Big Racks Jay might be taking the first one, so if anyone else is interested, I would love to get started. That would fill up the spots, huh? Just inverse the 5-minute gap. See, like 145 looks like better probability than doing 50-75 in this circumstance, right? Bro, said I'm in. You see on my screen when I'm in. I didn't enter, boys, don't worry. About to get raped by stop loss, ripping the shit out of it. I definitely cannot say that on live. It's kind of crazy. After this month, I'll only have 3 more months of streaming for free on TikTok and YouTube, and then it will be fully converted. You guys would have seen me stream for the past almost 8 months now. Almost everything's recorded, which is pretty cool. And then things will be changing. Trying to beat a star. Okay, we got the close above, man. Just want to see a strong close here. It's a decent close. Okay, break even there. Give it 4 seconds. Break even trade. Yeah, I wasn't liking how I looked anyways. Did not look the best. Let's see. We'll hold like the, let's just see hypothetically for those who are like, bro, you go break even too fast. Well, let's see what would have happened. Because it does look, yep, stop loss would have been hit if I didn't go break even. That's why you go break even, boys. Holy dump, dude. Oh my god. Okay, we have 17 seconds, but we might inverse the 5-minute gap. If we inverse this might not be bad. So now we did inverse. For this, I don't know if I would just have a target, just be let it run. But again, let's just wait and see if we actually get a good setup though. It's 50 minutes just opened. With a nice 1 minute gap here. Bro, if you were a top ticker and top tick that, that'd be insane. They did the candle, yeah. Gabe, how'd you do on CPI? I saw that you like texted, but I never checked the notification. I don't know why I didn't do CPI. I literally just completely forgot about it last night. Didn't take anything. I should have, bro. It's so like it's literally just free more accounts. Kind of pissed I didn't. I can't trade news on my phone futures, bro. Nice. Yeah, I was wondering like if you could, because they have the 1 day passes now. So, you know, if you could do it on alpha. Not sure. Okay. Check Financial Juice. Never even heard of that, but bet. I don't like that close. Alright, it's good, but we'll take this as a hypothetical. A hypothetical trade right there. Reason I didn't like that close because we basically already swept this, so it'd be an instant break even almost. But if we only swept this and didn't also sweep this 50% and we close like there, that'd be a lot better trade, but I don't like how it is, so. This would be a TP smash though, it looks like. Oh no way, this would be a break even. Put the 1 minute on for a second. Yeah, here you go. Kaboom. There's no way this goes break even. it's gonna smash. Yeah. TP would have been smash right there, boys. Trump, I am considering allowing a major lawsuit against Powell to proceed because of the horrible and grossly incompetent job he has done managing the construction of the Fed buildings. I would sue Powell over construction of the Fed buildings. Oh my god. That just come out? 9:47, August 12th. Oh, that would make sense. Hey, well, students, if you guys were in the class last night, coincidentally 9:47, what happens at 9:47 when that news comes out? We continue to dump, so. Yeah, well, that's why I go break even. I don't hold my positions too long. I get risk free as soon as possible. W handrail. Oh wait, y'all can't even see my P&L. Kaboom. Gabe, I mean, I've been trading the same model. I feel like just the setups have been a lot different than like how they used to be. You know what I'm saying? With just like how the volatility is, I don't know. It's just like not the best. Like this was the piece of pie model setup, right? We just didn't like it since it was kind of invalid because we took a target and we were already close to break even. I didn't take it, but like that's the setup there. This was a good setup on the 30-second, although, or it was actually a 1 minute setup. It was like right at the fill of the break on the inverse. I don't know, I just feel like the setups have been looking different just due to the PA, but it's still like the same concepts in place. It's kind of been pissing me off a little bit, not gonna lie. I miss old price action. Well, I mean, it's also just the fact that we, like, I don't know, I like that we were traced out of this. Like, it wasn't just solely out of the 1 minute IFVG. It was just also, like, the momentum we already had pushing up. Like, I'm kind of just like a momentum trader, you know that, Gabe? Like, it's just, I'm just following the trend. Like, I feel like a lot of my trades are either in premiums. I feel like I don't have a lot of trades that are in discounts, to be honest. Like, obviously there's times where they are in discounts, like when it's a like V-shaped recovery setup, shout out Dodgy, but most of the times I feel like a lot of my entries are in premiums and people are like, bro, you're just FOMOing in, but it's like low-key 90% of my setups are just already entering off of a trend that's happening. I haven't been waiting for the 10 a.m. open though. That I have not been doing in a long time because I feel like there's just been a lot of setups with before 10 a.m. But today we are going to change that. see how 10 a.m. opens up and go from there. Dude, Gabe, I've been going insane on the meme coins. I'm so serious, bro. In the past, like, 4 days, I've made 130 SOL, which I think is, like, let's do the USD though. So that's USD. 130 SOL is $22,000, dude. Once I can turn because I have 230 right now, I've turned 90 to, so actually I'm up 140 SOL. I turned 90 to 230. If I turn the 230 to, if I turn the 230 to 400, then I'm going in. But yeah, no, bro, I'm literally, bro, like, it's taken me maybe half a month to a month to learn it, and now I'm literally making more than I've been making in prop firms like this whole year almost. It's actually ridiculous. How do I get the order filled sound? Alright, boys, I'm about to expose myself. It just gets edited in. In the videos, I just edited it in. How do I say purchase on TradingView? You just add like an order limit. So like you'd click this and add like a sell limit or buy limit depending on what position you're in. Where have you learned from? I've just been watching every podcast you could ever think of and then just kind of doing it myself, kind of how I treated trading. No, I haven't. I mean, it was definitely a mediocre financial play, but like the only reason I got that thing, like it was definitely an impulsive purchase, but like I low-key needed to just like, I mean, I don't know. I'll text you on the side, but but like low-key the hard tops to find for that car are like actually super hard to find. Like it was actually like I could probably flip that right now for maybe a couple grand more than what I got it for, especially in like the black. It is so hard to find a black E36 hard top for under $3,000, and I got it for like $2,400, so I just jumped on it and went for it. Should have done it road to 50K series. You're like there, if not past it now. I'm close to it. I'm not there yet, but if I make my next payout, God bless, if I trade decently for the rest of the week, I could be going for like a 20K payout by the end of the year, or by the end of this week. So that would put me like just over. Do I remember Miss Kemp's class? Yo, who is that? Anderson Garcia. Yes, of course I remember Miss Kemp's class. Can't really see the profile pic, but what's good, bro? How long have I been trading? In January of 2026 will be 2 years for me officially. Unlucky, buddy? In what way? Did not think the market was dumping. I thought we were going to at least push all-time highs, but then news came out about Trump going off on Powell, so markets are cooked now. Go about your day. Not necessarily. There's still Asian lows that we could possibly take, and London lows. Kind of just wait to see how this 10 hour goes. Then go about the day. Yeah, I got put on to the Trump news, but yeah, essentially he's like going off on Powell, saying he's gonna sue him. And open a lawsuit against him for how he's handling the construction of the Fed building. Appreciate that, Gabe. Oh my god. Why is it not? Oh, I'm on shift, bro. I was like, what? Then crashed out after 2 losses. Damn it, Gabe. You know better, brother. I think a lot of people wanted longs today. That's what I was looking for. Got break even, luckily. What trades I took? Just took one long, and like the very top of this range, but then got break even.
You're not even in the same league.
Did I already take? Yeah, I already took that trade. Yeah, I think we all were in the same boat. I think a lot of us were targeting highs. Oh, you took the 3 minute? There's a 3 minute inverse. Wasn't on the leader account though, that's so painful. Has anyone been rate limited by Tradevate before? I don't even know what that is. So probably not. Interesting. If I can't stop working mid trades, I couldn't modify a trade. That's weird. Probably just have to manually or like operate them manually then. Negative RR? What? Bro might be colorblind. What is up, Lindsay? Currently trading right now. How are meme coins going? They're going good, dude. Made like 22K in the past like 4 days. If I can make, I think the goal is like 50K within the next week or so, then I'll go in with real money. I'm already back at college, but I don't go to school. Just live with all my boys. I made 10 grand and lost it all in meme coins. I mean, you gotta have proper risk management. That's like the biggest thing. If you know how to manage your risk, then you'll be just fine. It's gonna be actually a very decent trade. Failed to close above. I know I should have waited for it, bro. Yeah, I just got cooked. I knew I should have waited for that shit, man. Fuck me. Oh my god. Ripping the chat, boys. Ripping the chat. Dude, I literally knew I should have waited for this 15-minute to retrace. Just fucked myself. Well, that's that. Yeah, I got stopped. I got clapped. Check the piano. Clapped city, boys. These, what are these? Sucks to suck. Sucks to suck. Yeah, I've just not been having good looks in the market recently. It's just been rough, can't lie. This is what I should have waited for right here, though. We'll take a hypothetical if it does what I'm supposed to. Just to see how it would have played out. Ten indicators is crazy. I mean, a lot of them I don't actually use. Because one of them is the trading notes. This I don't even use this. I don't know why that's on. Order blocks I don't use. Order block detector. Why is it? And 2 order block detectors for some reason. Don't use either of those. Then these I do somewhat use. Okay. I'll take the hypothetical if it closes here. Who do I trade with? I trade with Apex, so. Okay, hypothetical there. This is what I should have waited for. Just got impatient. Yeah, I was definitely targeting. At least just through the range up here. Looks like this trade probably wouldn't have played out either. You guys want to watch a trenching live stream? I could trench now, actually. I was kind of craving it. Low key. Yeah, we can run that. We can come back to this, yeah. Let's do it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end YouTube and TikTok. I'll see you guys on YouTube. Have a good one.